daan muna tayo dito yung masarap daw. Siyempre recommended ni John Fox, kasama yung si doktor niya, yung vet ng mga alaga niya. Tinatawag silang ang sarap. Pati pala sila Unico, napuntahan na din nila to. So siyempre papahuli ba naman tayo, so puntahan din natin at tikman din kung ang mga pagkain kung totoo talagang masarap. So, ito na. Tingnan natin kung makakapasok ba yung sasakyan dito. Pwede. Ang sarap. Okay guys, dito na tayo. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Kitchenette. Tikman natin kung masarap nga ba talaga. Hey guys, dito na tayo ngayon sa ang sarap. Self-service nga pala dito guys ha. So kung order kayo at pipick upin yung order din ninyo is punta lang kayo sa cash counter. Kain tayo guys, ito yung order namin. Kalderetang lechong kawali at saka lumpia. Well, sabi naman ng kapatid ko masarap. Habang nakain, panoorin nyo muna kumain habang nakikita nyo yung view.
Searching for someone who wouldn't turn the other way. And I knew the moment that we first met, just the way I wanted my summer spent. We go breaking for the surface and breaking all our promises, promising to never go back. We're living on island time, sunrise to setting, stealing every second of paradise, dancing in diamond skies, stretch on forever, soaking in the weather and waterline. I'm living for the summer, however long. I'm taking every moment, holding on. We're living on island time. Oh, we're living on island time. I been feeling like a renegade. Why island free, but nobody there to share a day? No. So climb on back and wrap your arms tight. We'll go anywhere and everywhere we ain't ever been tonight. Just follow my lead and it'll be alright, be alright. Long as you and I are living on island time, sunrise to setting, stealing every second of paradise, dancing in diamond skies, stretch on forever, soaking in the weather and waterline. I'm living for the summer, however long. I'm taking every moment and holding on. We're living on island time.
tapos na tayo kumain. Konti lang kinain namin, pero pinatake out na namin yung iba. Pero in fairness, masarap yung kalderetang kawali, lechong kawali nila. At yung...
Kare.
Ay, kare-kare. Lechon. Kare-kare with lechon kawali. At saka lumpia. Sarap yung lumpia.
Highly recommended, guys.
Silip muna tayo dito sa ano.
Very good.
Silip muna tayo dito sa lake nila.
Shooting up 'cause it's getting late. I'm scared I'll say something that may make you think I'm feeling a different way. It'd be great if I was ready, but now it's getting so messy. Said it's honest, but I want you. I want you. I pick up your call 'cause I don't wanna fall now in too deep.
Hey guys, tapos na tayo kumain dito sa Ang Sarap Kitchenette. So hindi na natin natikman yung iba, pero syempre isa in order naman namin, masarap talaga. Sulit yung binayad.
Sulit ang binang.
So tara, uwi na tayo. Magpapahinga pa tayo. Ganun din. Galing camping, pahinga. Uwi, pahinga. Thank you. Biyahe na tayo pa uwi.
Go.
Update na lang ulit pag malapit na tayo sa bahay.